Welcome to Settlers Square, an Alex Meisner community located just north of Cedar City in Enoch, Utah. Welcome to the Wasatch at Settlers Square. Just inside the Wasatch, you are welcomed into a sleek and stylish entryway. Opposite of the staircase is a bedroom, which is typically used as a home office if a fourth bedroom isn't needed. As you continue into the home, you are welcomed into the open-concept kitchen and living space, complete with a corner pantry, center island, large windows throughout, and glass doors giving direct access to the covered back patio. The garage, laundry, half bath, and access to the master suite is located just across from the kitchen. A feature that homeowners love about the Wasatch is the laundry room, which features a separate entrance from the spacious master closet. In the master bathroom, you're sure to appreciate the large cultured marble shower, dual sinks, and stunning custom cabinetry. You'll notice the master suite is secluded from the other bedrooms, giving you a private retreat away from the rest of the home. Alex Meisner Construction gives homeowners two options when building a semi-custom Wasatch at Settlers Square. The first option is a fifth bedroom upstairs. This gives homeowners an additional private space, while still leaving a small loft area upstairs. The fifth bedroom option features a spacious secondary bathroom on the upper level, complete with dual sinks and a separate toilet and shower room. The second option is eliminating the fifth bedroom to give space for a second family room. The second family room option still features the large secondary bathroom separating two spacious bedrooms. The Wasatch features a charming covered front porch, as well as a spacious rear patio. This is truly a floor plan that can flex to meet the needs of so many homeowners. For more information on the Wasatch, or other floor plans at Settlers Square, contact our sales agent, Jenny Vossler of ERA Realty Center. She can be reached at 435-559-1260.